Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is triangle. Triangle. This is heart. Heart. This is circle. Circle. This is star. This is star. Star. This is pentagon. Pentagon. This is square. Let's color it. This is purple color. Purple color. Triangle shape. This is red color. Red color. Heart shape. This is light green color. Light green color. Circle shape. Circle shape. This is orange color. Orange color. Star shape. This is star shape. This is sky blue color. Dear kids, this is sky blue color. Pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. Next one, pink color. Dear kids, this is pink color. Pink color. Square shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. Triangle, heart, circle, star, pentagon, square. Thank you kids for watching this video. Please like this video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like this video. See you next video.